Plans for a long-term effort to protect the Bird Island wastewater treatment plant, one of Western New York's most critical pieces of infrastructure, are underway. But before work begins, it's important to understand what's at stake.
The island is actually sinking around the treatment facility, and if the land is lost, ultimately this facility is endangered, and the treatment that we provide to 550,000 people is endangered, but then also the Niagara River and all downstream communities are also imperiled if this issue is not addressed.
Nogle says the Buffalo Sewer Authority and the system it supports play an essential role for Buffalo and surrounding communities.
It is the largest wastewater treatment facility in New York State outside of New York City. Right now we serve about 550,000, both in the city of Buffalo and in those upstream communities. The Army Corps of Engineers work is critical to ongoing public health and the environment in Western New York and Southern Ontario.
The Corps of Engineers Buffalo District is preparing a major coastal storm risk management project to protect the treatment plant for decades to come.
The importance of this project is to secure critical infrastructure for Buffalo Sewer Authority's wastewater treatment facility plant at Freedom Park. This project is important to avoid catastrophic failure due to erosion at the seawall.
The Corps of Engineers, the Buffalo Sewer Authority, and the City of Buffalo have entered into a three-way project partnership with sites set on construction.
So for the project, we'll be doing steel plating and fixing the timber crib, along with a few other measures to repair the seawall. We're looking to start construction in spring of 2029, and in the meantime, we'll be doing engineering and design.
The work is part of an ongoing commitment to strengthen infrastructure across the Great Lakes and protect public health.